Alright guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find your Bybit wallet address both for Bybit to Bybit transfer using your UID and for sending crypto like USDT from other exchanges or wallet. Before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos. The first thing you need to do is to open your Bybit application. After logged in, at the top left corner, click on the profile icon. At the top, you will see your Bybit UID and a QR code next to it. This Bybit ID is used for Bybit to Bybit transfer. If someone else is sending your funds from their Bybit account, they can just scan the QR code and paste your UID. Now tap on the deposit button. Now click on the deposit crypto button. In the list of coins, search for USDT. Tap on the USDT. Once you selected USDT, it will ask you to choose a network like TRC20, ERC20. Make sure you select the same network that you are using from the other wallet or exchange. This is important or you will lose your fund. For example, we are choosing TRC20. Now you will see your USDT deposit address. You can either copy it or scan the QR code if you are using a mobile wallet. This address is used when you want to transfer crypto from other exchanges like Binance. And that's it. Now you know how to find both your Bybit UID QR code for internal transfers and your USDT wallet address for deposits from outside exchange. If this video found you helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto.